If you cannot see the vision, then I'm afraid not even glasses would help you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, live stream on the New Year's. You know what I'm saying? My first ever live stream. We're not gonna be streaming too much, but I feel like it's good to connect with the viewers. Just hang out, see what price is gonna be doing. Talk about Turbo, talk about other coins. So, just announcing it right now. But listen, Robinhood listed Bonk. And you might be thinking, well, what? I thought this was a Turbo video. It is, because this is part of the video. And the reason why this is part of the video is because I'm noticing a trend, and I think you guys are too. Robinhood is listing more and more meme coins. Every couple of weeks, we get a new one, right? We've had PetPay, we've had Whiff, now we got Bonk. You know what? Something tells me over the next few months, we're probably going to get a few more listings. And, when we look at all the meme coins, a high probability is Turbo. Okay. The probability of it getting listed is higher and higher, especially as there's more and more meme coins getting listed. We're going to break things down in just a little bit why I also believe so. That's going to happen other than the trend. And listen, the trend is literally your friend in life, in trading, right? Going where institutional money is. If institutional money is buying this or this, you just follow it. When they start cashing out, you just cash out. I mean, like, welcome to crypto, right? That's pretty much, the cycles explained in just 20 seconds, right? Institutional money comes in, you come in. Institutional money comes out, you come out, right? And the same thing with following trends, right? So listen, this is good. We want other coins, other meme coins getting listed on Robinhood because that means we are going down the ladder and, eventually it is going to be Turbo. Speaking about Turbo, Turbo has huge, and I mean huge news, ladies and gentlemen. Turbo has been integrated on the cross-chain ecosystem of CCIP, ladies and gentlemen, right? They are officially teaming up and working with Chainlink. All right. Well, you can see Turbo is the real deal. I'm sorry, but I don't see any other meme coin pretty much making the moves Turbo is. Every day I check Turbo's page, it just seems like new listing, partnership this. Oh, we're getting featured in a game. This is happening. And I'm telling you, they are going to be making waves. Okay. They're going to be making waves. I mean, they already are, right? We can see the cross-chain token standard using Chainlink CCIP. It got adopted. This means secure token transfers from BNB chain and Ethereum are now live. I mean, look, guys, they are making moves. They constantly post, right? They constantly post art. I said they're dabbling a little bit in the metaverse. They're dabbling a little bit in gaming, right? And any win is a big win. Anything before the official altcoin season is going to be massive. Some of the stuff we already covered. But look, I'm just scrolling down and you can see updates every single day, right? And something tells me in the future, now you guys don't have to like this, but I feel like it's inevitable. And I feel like it's going to be good very, very short term. I think a lot of big YouTubers and influencers will jump near the end of the train, which, listen, it's going to be a good thing because I believe it's going to be near the end of the train of Turbo. Okay. So hypothetically, if Turbo were to hit, let's say 30 cents and influencers, got around that time or a little bit before, we might be able to get to 34, 35 cents now, right? It's just going to be that little extra oomph, right? And I could see that happening too. Now, I don't want these people to come on very, very early, right? I know some people worried about Mr. Beast. I think Mr. Beast came right at the very end. I personally don't care because the Toad's job is to get us to the moon and for us to live there, to cash out. But the Toad has to go back home, right? The Toad is going to go and, back home on Earth, which is going to be the bear season. It is inevitable, right? No coin just goes up forever. And that's okay because we are going to revisit the Toad in a couple years, okay? And that's fine. So I don't mind these people coming in on the bandwagon right near the end when we sell on them pretty much. I mean, sounds mean, but that's how crypto works, right? Someone has to be exit liquidity. And if you were slacking for so long, and you get in right at the hype at the very end, I mean, it's kind of your fault. Sounds rough, but I mean, I think all of us have been through it, right? At least that one cycle, at least, I could say for myself in 2017, I bought near the tops. My reasoning for stuff in the beginning was so dumb, like Neocoin, green. Oh, wow. I think it's going to go higher. No real analysis, no nothing. But, tough lessons to be taught have pretty much got me to where I am today. But yeah, we could see big, big, big news. Now, I know some of you are going to be, well, Turbo is not pumping too hard. Why is it not skyrocketing? And listen, people, right? We can see right away on this side, the market in general is recovering. The market is recovering, right? I called the reversal in my Discord. We can see Bitcoin has hit the exact spot I was talking about. If you watched my last few videos, especially turbo videos, I always said there is a specific type of candle around the $92,000 to $93,000 area that's in here. Okay, it is in here, and I said there was a specific candle, and you can see how well we rejected off of this, how well we are reversing, right? Turbo Bitcoin is reversing. Everything is reversing. Told you, there are no coincidences in the market. Okay, this is just like a puzzle. The market is just a puzzle you have to solve. And you know what? We're not always going to be right, but at the end of the day, a lot of things do make sense. And if you're right most of the time, then that's how you could become a trader, right? I just explained it, and yeah, everything's recovering. Turbo is recovering pretty well. I still, I still want to see more and more confirmation, right? We could definitely have a little pullback here, creating a reverse head and shoulders, tapping into this order block here before we continue going up. By the moment, it looks good, right? It looks good. That's why I said yesterday and a couple yesterday and in my Discord and stuff, I said I was buying here and I bought here because, you know, I had a feeling, these are just fantastic prices in general. I do think the main recovery will mainly be next week, though. Mainly next week. And I wouldn't be opposed of having one more shakeout for Turbo, okay? Or altcoins in general. We've seen last time the data was showing for altcoins that it was shaking us out multiple times before altcoin season really kind of started to bloom, right? When it was like the beginning, kind of the rally before like the big bang, right? Before things were getting shaken out. So, and it was shaken out multiple times. So I wouldn't be surprised if, Turbo has a dip one more time. But in general, things are looking good. We talked about yesterday how structure overall looks fantastic, right? We have a higher floor and a higher ceiling each time. There's literally no worries for Turbo. No nothing, especially with the news that's coming out. Every single news now is just gonna put Turbo up an extra cent, 2 or 3. And that's what I like to see from a coin. So I'm really happy that I have a big bag of Turbo. I think you guys should be too. I know it's a meme coin at the end of the day, but meme coins work in these cycles, right? That's just how life works. Not everything needs to make the most amount of sense. And yeah, guys, overall, we are looking good, right? 2 days ago, people were panicking. Now it's green a little bit. People are probably more calm. At the end of the day, these micro moves don't matter. The only thing that does matter are the moves that Turbo does over the next, let's say, max 2 months. And I really think Robinhood, we can clutch it by maximum February, which would be just in time. Even if I am right about Turbo's cycle ending a little early, right? A month early, potentially. We talked about that. I still think we can clutch up Robinhood just in time. So yeah, really bullish on this coin. Everything's still the same. Damn, somebody's trying to take me out. And yeah, I'm overall excited for the bull run. Hope you guys are too. Christmas just around the corner. Make sure you guys take care of yourself. Enjoy your vacations. Enjoy family time. And if you don't have a family or you don't celebrate Christmas or whatever, I just hope life turns around for you if it is a rough patch. Because yeah, sometimes life is just a little rough, but a day, a week, a month, a year later, we're on top of the world. Sometimes that's just how life is. Life is literally like these charts, right? Sometimes we are on top of the world and sometimes we are not feeling so great. So if you're not feeling great, I hope you feel better. If you're feeling fantastic, hope you continue that momentum. And yeah, guys, I love you so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.